everybody, welcome back to another video, and for today's episode we're going to be talking about the iceberg again. So the iceberg is beginning to make sound. I I was just playing this round right now, and it makes sounds. I just heard, like, in the lobby you just hear blah 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 blah, or like a awful sound, and I can tell you it's awful. It's shitty awful too, like, because like it's so near, like it's no, I'm not joking, it's too near. I can take that one just to like be sure that it's like, or like it's pretty high sound now. Wait a second. 44. I just want to check out who takes the most damage. 44. Then I take that one. It's 46. Of course, I'm gonna take this one then. Okay, so like the iceberg is now making. I can try to get into 2 rounds, or I can just like clip this round out. But I'm just gonna talk now this round. Wait a second. I take this one. It's like, I can't believe it. It is many. It's a big sound because it's 12 or 13 hours left now to season 7. It's actually making a bunch of sound. It's a high sound too. It's not like you just hear like whoo. You hear the wind. You hear like the iceberg like going forward and that stuff. And that is pretty sketchy, because but we're going to say bye bye to Flush Factory, or maybe I don't know if it's going to be gone away by the big ass. Oh my god, what is it? Iceberg. I don't know if it's going down with it, but I don't hope so. I do not hope so. But it's like now I think the iceberg is pretty near. Like when you hear it. Pretty much like hear it. Then I think it's pretty near. And it's because it's 13 hours away. So I think the server is going down in not so long. So I think like the server goes down, and after that they like be down for a goddamn long time. But you guys are just the people that is watching this from like a other place, like China or some shit like that. You guys are pretty, because your time zone is like, I live in Norway, so like the time zone is not the same as yours, I could tell you. So you're pretty lucky because you can play now, but I have to go to bed, like, but I can try to get the sound to you guys in another round. So I'm just gonna come back or I'm not gonna clip though, because I'm gonna check if how long I can get in this round though. So yeah, so we're just going to be talking about the one when we get into another round. So first of all, I'm not using my account now. I'm using my friend's account because he just made it. Come on, no! Oh my god, bro. Oh. That is trash. Oh my god, like it's like I hear it. You hear it, so because my friend just made this account and I'm just gonna make it so it gets a bit good, a pretty good start. Oh my god. We're gonna go try to go for that loot there. Okay. Oh my god, from the top. Oh my god, he's in my building. Let me heal. I have to heal. I got 1 HP. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is a crazy game. Oh my god. You guys just see me like you switching out your hunting rifle for that. No, you're switching out that gun for a hunting rifle. You are crazy. Like that one is so much better, but I like this one better. So oh shit, I need some shields. Shields, please. Just let me heal, dude. Oh my god, the storm. If this storm kills me right now, I'm gonna be mad. Like really mad. Wait a second, I got any traps? Yeah, I do. I'm just gonna have my trap up. I'm a bit more sure about the trap, so I could get me there though. Just go to there. I think the door on the storm ticks for 2 now. Of course it's gonna be people there. I'm hearing sniper shots like over the whole entire world. Like, oh my god. Okay. What? through my wall. Did you guys see that? What? He just shot me through my wall. Well, okay, like, if that is going to be how it works, like, well then, thanks. What? He shot me through the freaking wall. What is this shit? Wow. But okay, guys, I'm just gonna go and check out, and then you guys can hear the sound. But did you guys see that? He just shot me through the wall. Like, what the freak are you thinking about? Oh my god. You hear it? You hear wind. I think I have to go a bit more to it. You hear it? You like hear the thing. You can hear it like blowing. Oh my god, you hear that? It's like really. So it's like really loud sound. You heard it in bus too, I think. I'm not so sure. But that's all the video for today. Bye bye.